Close your eyes for a moment and listen. The soft trickle of water, a melody so gentle, it whispers peace into your soul. Imagine stepping into a world where time slows down, where the chaos of the day fades into the soothing rhythm of flowing water. In the heart of your home, amidst the green embrace of tiny leaves, lies a secret oasis waiting to be born. A place where nature and tranquility blend into a single, mesmerizing harmony. Today, we unveil a mind-blowing idea that will transform your space into a sanctuary of calm. A DIY mini waterfall for your dish garden. A masterpiece sculpted by your hands, where water dances over stones and plants breathe life into a miniature paradise. Let's embark on this journey together. One step at a time. One drop of water at a time. Thank you for watching. If you love beautiful home and garden inspirations, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more. And now, we'd love to hear from you. If you could redesign your home, what's the first thing you would change? Tell us in the comments. Also, let us know, where are you watching from? We're excited to connect with viewers from all over the world. One, a tiny oasis. Water has always been the soul of nature. From mighty rivers carving valleys to gentle raindrops kissing petals, its presence breathes life into the world. And now, you can bring that essence into your home, not with a grand fountain, nor a vast pond, but with something far more intimate. A miniature waterfall, resting within the delicate beauty of a dish garden. Picture it, a tiny cascade flowing effortlessly, a serene escape in the palm of your hands. It's more than just decor, it's an experience, a living piece of art that soothes your mind and elevates your space. Why settle for stillness when you can have movement? Why settle for silence when you can have the soft murmur of flowing water? This is the magic of a mini waterfall. It transforms an ordinary dish garden into a living sanctuary. And the best part? It's easier to create than you might think. With just a few simple materials, a touch of creativity, and the guidance of nature itself, you can craft your own tranquil retreat. So, let's begin. Let's bring life to your garden, one flowing stream at a time. Two, materials and preparation. Every masterpiece begins with the right foundation. A painter needs their canvas, a sculptor their clay, and for this creation, we need the perfect elements to bring water to life. Gather your tools, for today, we build a waterfall, not in the wilderness, but in the heart of your home. First, we need a small water pump, the silent engine that will keep the water dancing, flowing endlessly like a whisper from nature itself. Choose a pump that is compact, one that will hide seamlessly within the landscape of your dish garden. Next, a clear plastic tube, the hidden pathway where water will travel, unseen but essential, like the roots of a tree feeding life above the soil. Then, a small plastic container or a carved-out stone. This will serve as our hidden reservoir, where water will gather before rising again, repeating its endless cycle of serenity. Now, the elements of nature itself. Decorative stones, moss, and miniature plants. These are not just additions, but the very soul of our creation. Choose stones of varying sizes, smooth and textured, to mimic the raw beauty of a natural waterfall. Pick plants that thrive in moisture, ones that will embrace the mist and grow alongside the flowing water. Lastly, water-resistant sealant. A touch of human ingenuity to ensure the water stays where it belongs, flowing gracefully, uninterrupted, like poetry in motion. Take a moment to feel these materials in your hands. Each one holds a purpose, each one a building block for the tranquility we are about to create. Now, as the elements come together, the true magic begins. It's time to shape the flow of water, to guide it, sculpt it, and watch it breathe life into our miniature world. Three, assembling the waterfall. Now, the real magic begins. With steady hands and a vision of flowing serenity, we bring the pieces together. This is where stillness meets movement, where dry stones awaken to the kiss of water. First, we take our small plastic container, our hidden reservoir, nestle it within the dish garden, ensuring it sits low, unseen, yet essential. Like the quiet heart of a river, waiting to send life upwards. Now, we connect the clear plastic tube to the water pump, a silent river beneath the surface, waiting for its first breath. Place the pump inside the reservoir, securing it so that it remains stable, unseen, but powerful. Then, we guide the tube upwards, towards the stage where water will take its first fall. This is where creativity flows freely. Will your waterfall trickle gently like a mountain spring? Or will it cascade boldly over smooth river stones? Position the tube between carefully placed rocks and pebbles, ensuring the water will spill naturally, tumbling as if nature itself carved its path. Now, we seal the edges. Using the water-resistant sealant, we secure the foundation, preventing leaks, keeping the water's journey uninterrupted. Every drop matters, every flow, a rhythm of nature. Then, the moment we've been waiting for. Pour in the water. Let it fill the hidden reservoir, rising quietly like a secret waiting to be told. And with the simple flick of a switch, the water moves. A whisper at first, then a steady trickle. A song of nature, composed by your hands. The stones glisten, kissed by the gentle stream, as the garden comes to life. But our masterpiece is not yet complete. Now, we must bring the surroundings to life, weaving in the final touches that make this world feel truly alive. Four, adding finishing touches. A waterfall is more than just flowing water. It is the harmony between movement and stillness, between sound and silence. Now, we bring the scene to life, adding the final details that transform a simple dish garden into a living masterpiece. First, the stones. These are not merely decorations, but the very bones of our landscape. Carefully, we arrange them around the waterfall's base, letting them guide the water's descent. Some smooth, some rugged, just as nature intended. Each stone tells a story, each placement shaping the rhythm of the flow. Then, we introduce plants. Life to embrace the movement of water. Tiny ferns, creeping moss, delicate succulents. Their leaves drink in the moisture, their roots nestle into the damp earth, becoming one with the landscape. A miniature forest thriving in the presence of a gentle stream. Now, the details that breathe magic into the scene. A small driftwood branch, resting by the water's edge, as if carried by the current of time. A tiny ceramic bridge, inviting the imagination to wander. Perhaps even a hidden LED light, glowing softly like fireflies at dusk, casting a golden shimmer over the flowing water. We step back for a moment, observing the masterpiece we have crafted. A world within a world, where water, stone, and life exist in perfect harmony. The sound of the trickling stream fills the air, a melody of peace, a whisper of nature's endless rhythm. But our journey does not end here. For the true beauty of a waterfall is not just in its creation, but in the way it continues to flow. Let's take a final look, a moment of pure tranquility before we bring this experience to a close. And there it is, a tiny oasis, born from your own hands. A place where water flows endlessly, where stillness and movement dance in perfect harmony. Listen closely. The gentle trickle, the soft embrace of moss, the shimmer of stones kissed by flowing water. This is more than just a DIY project. It is a sanctuary, a moment of peace in the midst of everyday life. Imagine this miniature paradise resting on your table, greeting you in the morning with the sound of flowing serenity, welcoming you home after a long day with its soothing whispers. A piece of nature, always present, always flowing. Now, it's your turn. Let your creativity guide you. Let your hands shape the water's path. Craft your own mini waterfall dish garden and watch as it transforms your space. And when you do, share it with the world. Use the hashtag #DIYMiniWaterfall and let others be inspired by your creation. If this journey has sparked something within you, there is more to explore. More ideas, more nature-inspired designs waiting to be discovered. So, stay with us, subscribe for more, and together, let's keep creating. Because beauty is not just in what we see, but in what we build, what we nurture, and what we allow to flow. Until next time, keep the water moving, keep the garden alive, and keep crafting your own moments of peace.